water.
Sir, in case there are such provisions in other contracts as the Maynilad, the
Yeah.
goal is to amend or have a renegotiation.
That's one. Another is rescission of the contract.
So last night also they had a presentation on the EO or something like a roadmap. Was he okay with the creation of the Department of Water?
Yes.
Yeah. Why? What did he say about the presentation?
Well, it will synchronize all the acts of other agencies, hopefully to prevent the occurrence of the water stoppage that we had last time.
Okay, Bernadette, then Ace. Microphone, please.